Hi, my name is Paul. Welcome to UPICHA, Changing How the World Sees Art. Today we're going to look at the use of asymmetrical balance and the brightness weight illusion in interior design. Previously, we've looked at the use of these concepts in fine art painting, fine art photography, and in architecture to illustrate that these concepts are real and applicable and have value in terms of looking at artwork, but also in creating. In this example of design, I've taken the same photograph and put it side by side to illustrate where the interior designer has created weight and counterweight using the brightness weight illusion and asymmetrical balance. And so in effect, in this image, the piano serves as the weight according to the brightness weight illusion, that darker objects sometimes appear heavier than brighter objects. And the wall, the background, staircase serves as the large bright. Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, it's just a lucky angle that happens to suit your theory or your point of view. And I understand it's fine if you think that, but let me try to defend my position here a little bit. Good interior design, in my opinion, is not simply the aggregation of expensive-looking stuff or cool-looking stuff all thrown together. Good interior design utilizes these exact same concepts that I've illustrated used in fine art painting, photography, and architecture in order that all of the parts are working together. I'm going to show you an example of other works so that you can kind of see the consistency in the use of these concepts so that it's not something that could be considered as just a kind of one-off happenstance or pure luck. So have a look at these. We'll start over here. And once you understand, these ideas of small dark equaling large bright, then it becomes quite apparent that it's consistently being used. So over here, the small dark, large bright, small dark, the tub and the cabinet over here versus all the rest of it over here. Yes, there's a dark element over there, but predominantly these small dark objects work as the weight to counterbalance the large bright area here. And so, as I mentioned, it's not simply an aggregation of cool or expensive looking stuff. There's actual design in place so that all the parts are working together. That's a brief look at the example of asymmetrical balance and the brightness weight illusion at work in interior design. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I thank you for your time.